And hello, good morning, and welcome to another channel, another vlog, another video. Ba, ba, ba. So, hello guys, good morning, and welcome to another vlog. I'm running extremely late today, and I've got the wrong fucking jacket on. Just realised they forecast torrential rain today, and I've gone for my fucking summer gloves, and yeah, because I'm paying attention to every fucker else on the road and not what I'm doing. So yeah, today is my youngest daughter's start that again. Today is my youngest daughter's birthday, so happy birthday to you, Lucy Beauty Love. Don't forget to check out her vlogging channel, links in the description. She does stuff completely different to me. She does like makeup tutorials and chats and stuff like that, so it's a bit different. I'm gonna go and see a bit different rather than just normal like motor vlogging. Be sure to go and check her out. As I said, links for her channel are in the description. Oh, no fucking trouble. And as you can tell, I'm running extremely late this morning, to the point of fucking alarm clock didn't wake me up. Yeah, I'm gonna try and bounce my way through the fucking traffic this morning. I have no idea on concepts of time, so I know I left at 10 past, so it's gonna be fucking close. It's here somewhere and at the doink. So yeah, as I said, I'm running extremely late. The alarm went off at 6 o'clock. I put that fucking snooze, yeah, snoozy, as you do. And then my oldest daughter woke me up saying, "Oh, you got work today?" At like fucking silly o'clock. But that silly o'clock meant I was then about an hour late getting up, and then they're all because it's my youngest daughter's birthday even, they were getting her party ready, so I'm visiting at the fucking party as well. So all in all, it's going to be a fucking very interesting day today, and I mean an extremely interesting day, considering I'm already on the back foot before we even get to work. And it's it's that day as well. Worst days I usually have issues with, so that explains. Alright, anyway guys, I'm going to leave the video there because I'm not far from work now. Shit, man, fucking thing. Fucking drain covers. Alright, I'll see you in a bit guys. Take it easy, see you in a minute. Hello people. Sorry for the weather, by the way. It's turned a bit sour. Fucking had one of them really fucking bad days today as well, which doesn't really fucking help, to a point of one of the customers' products that we fit fucking smacked me in the mouth, cut my fucking lip. So yeah, I've got to go and drop a repeat prescription into the doctor's now. So all fun and games. Fucking lips hurting, I'll tell you. So yeah, as I said about work, fucking a really fucking bad day, to the point I was contemplating walking out. I know really I shouldn't, and we all have bad days at work, I know that, but I just thought, what the fuck? What's the point, basically? What's the point of overly getting fucking stressed on a situation? One sec. Let's see if she'll backfire. backfire. Okay. That's a bit awkward. Fuck it. I'm gonna go normal way. And then it should get cut out then. And then head to the doctor's from... Right, actually fuck it, go normal way and then peel off at the end, because the doctor's not that far away. I can't see, nor can you. Right, back in a minute guys. Right, so she wants to be. Oh, I fucking hate bad weather. I seriously hate bad weather. As a biker, I know we all moan and whinge. There's certain things I don't mind doing. Driving in the fucking rain is one of them. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. I've just realised where I am and where I'm going to go and when I am and blah de blah de blah de blah. So anyway guys, thank you very much for liking and subscribing to my channel. If you want to leave a like in the bottom corner. Don't forget to check out the bell for notifications. Don't forget to stay awesome. Don't forget to check out the cards. And don't forget to stay awesome. Take it easy guys. See you later. Bye bye.